Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Clipchamp project and focusing on the timeline. Make sure snapping is on so clips lock together. Once done, zoom in to 200%, 400% so tiny gaps are visible, and hide unused tracks to reduce clutter. You'll immediately see empty spaces. Select adjacent tracks so adjustments affect the right clips. This setup reduces mistakes and speeds the next steps. Precise visibility plus snapping prevents. You locate a gap by clicking the empty space or dragging a selection over it, and then press Delete or Backspace to clear that placeholder. Once removed, move the later clip left to close the break. Dragging while snapping is active snaps it tight against the previous clip. If Clipchamp supports Ripple Delete in your version, use that to automatically close gaps across tracks. Make sure to ripple only on intended tracks, because Ripple can shift audio or titles unexpectedly. You can save time by multi-selecting clips and dragging them left to close several gaps at once. This is faster than deleting one gap at a time. Once clips are contiguous, trim start and end points to eliminate residual empty frames and scrub playback to check transitions. Export a short test clip to confirm sync and visual continuity. If something goes wrong, undo immediately and check if snapping or lock states prevented movement. That's the single most common issue to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.